Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Binance US app for spot trading setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Binance US app for spot trading, start by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store if you use an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. In the search bar, type Binance US and press enter. Look for the app with the Binance US logo and confirm it is the official app. Tap on the app icon to view more details. On the app page, locate and click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Binance US app. If you already have an account, tap on the login button. Enter your registered email address and password to log in. If you are a new user, tap on the sign up option. Fill in the required information to create your account. Follow the prompts to verify your email and set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once you are logged in, navigate to the spot trading section of the app. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the available features. To fund your account, tap on Deposit and select your preferred funding method. Follow the necessary steps to complete your deposit. Now, you're ready to start spot trading on Binance US. Take some time to explore the market options and trading pairs available. Utilize the educational resources provided in the app to enhance your trading knowledge. Always remember to trade responsibly and keep your account secure. This concludes the process of downloading and setting up the Binance US app for spot trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.